Welcome in my YouTube channel. So this problem is taken from the real analysis and its weightage is 4.75 mark, and this problem is asked in last CSIR exam 2020. Okay, so let us go on the problem. But this does this problem say? Okay, problem is says that any function which going from r to power 2 to r be a function defined as, okay, means its value is twice of the product of the abscissa and the ordinate divided by their squares. Okay, whenever both abscissa and ordinate never be zero, neither one of them is zero. Okay, the value of the function is 0 whenever x y both are 0. Okay, if one if either abscissa is 0 and ordinate is non-zero, then remains value remains 0, analogously with ordinate as well. So define g as a function at the this pair xy and defined as a series of the functions. Okay, so we are asked which of the following is are true. Okay, so there are four options which are given. Among them, first says that in the first option there is constructed another function h at the point ordinate. Okay, which is defined as gcy. Okay, and option second says that g is nothing but continues from the plane to a real line. Option third says that this g is not well defined, means g is not defined well. G is a continuous on r square except at the points where both abscissa and ordinate are same natural numbers. Okay, like 1 1 2 2 3 3, not as 1 2 1 3 1 4 are. Okay, means when both are same natural number, abscissa and ordinate should be natural number as well as same natural number. Okay, now it's question for us, how do we think? Okay, how do we think about this problem, and what is the way to solve this type of problems? Okay, it's the problem of the series or the sequence of the functions, whatever it may be. And how do we think about it? It's my always starting point. Okay, so gx by, since we know that x minus by to power 2 is always greater than 0, implies that x square plus y square greater than 2xy, which implies that 2x by upon x square plus always less than or equal to 1. This works for every x by real numbers. Okay, now apply this logic and you will find that G is a uniformly convergent series. Okay, in the domain, on this domain. Okay, G is UC, but G is pointwise convergent on R square. Okay, so pointwise convergence. Why G is pointwise convergent? Because the function which function of where the G converges is discontinuous. Okay, please do this. Okay, the function gx converging function is not a continuous, because at the point g of 1 1 value is different from g 2 2, different from g 3 3. Okay, but so G fails. So this my series is not uniformly convergent at 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Okay, if we exclude these points 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 from R to power 2, then our series remains uniformly convergent. So the uniformly convergent of that on that particular set is it's also a continuous as well, because the uniform convergence preserve to the continuity. Okay, so my so it's a continuous if we exclude 1 1 2 2 3 3 from R square. Okay, so my option fourth is true and second is false. Okay, option fourth is true and second is false. Third option says that G is not well defined, but G is found to be a well defined, so it's also a wrong option. Okay, so please do practice. I let it for you as an exercise. Option first, function which is function h at the point by is nothing but gcy. Is is this continuous on R or not? Okay, please try yourself. Okay, if you are not able to do this, comment and I will make another video on that. Okay, but please try. Okay, if you are not trying, you are doing the crime. Okay, not trying is a crime, but not solving is not a crime. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and like, and share as well as you can, so each one which are more hunger for this concept, they may get this. Okay, thanks for watching the video.